try the burger.
Okay.
Thirsty bird. You've made our day.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're Tasty Ads Project, and we're here at Thirsty Bird. We're gonna try the best fried chicken apparently. What do you reckon, guys?
Let's go.
Let's go.
So we ordered the Big Kahuna.
Big Kahuna.
I think that's a good name.
8 pieces.
8
with
pieces.
chili.
Yep.
Do you like chili?
I know you grabbed my face down.
What the hell is ghost chili?
That's the get out.
What?
That's the chili.
I didn't sign up for that.
Alright.
The Big Kahuna.
The Big Kahuna. The Big Kahuna.
Alright.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, I get it. Waffle fries.
Yeah. Because that's the name suggests,
Waffle
right?
fries. I get it.
Oh.
I had no idea. Everyone, that's a waffle fries.
I'm really worried about this.
So this is like a sweet, almost like a sweet chili with a little bit of a kick.
Okay. Have you eaten that before?
Yeah.
Holy.
Oh my goodness. Deadly.
Smell it. This chip's good. I think we... Okay. Which one do we try first?
Yeah, try this. I reckon it'll be right back.
Oh yeah, that's alright. That's good. That's good.
It's got a good crunch. Oh yeah, fuck yeah.
Yeah, try some with that.
Try that one first.
Oh yeah, I think I'm worried going on that side there.
That's nice.
Considering I'm not a cheese I'm not a cheese fan, but like that's actually
That's alright, no. It's got good seasoning on it too. Yeah.
waffle chips. Who would have thought?
Alright, let's try the burger.
Yeah.
Okay, you go first. Oh,
Oh, how can you not love
Okay.
chicken
Oh, yeah.
burgers?
look at it.
And it's pineapple.
Oh,
Pineapple, tomato,
Yes. What else?
cheese, bacon,
Yes.
lettuce.
I think the bacon is
Yeah, just dripping. There we go. Thirsty bird.
I don't mind it. The pineapple and the tomato.
That's the best part when you have a pineapple.
like who would have thought bacon on it too?
Yeah. Thank you. This is everything that I like in a burger. There you go, thirsty bird.
This is a winner.
That was good.
I like it.
Yeah. Let's get into this chicken. All right. Give it a spin or something. Comment below if you want to try this, you know. And then dip it. Oh, look at that.
He goes for the blue cheese.
Again.
Dip it.
It's good. I just love this cheese. There we go. Well.
What do you reckon?
Oh yeah.
It's nuts, isn't it?
Oh man, this is good. This is good.
I'm gonna go the middle.
Yep.
Yeah, no, it's good.
You know that will do the ghost.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
So that was your idea.
I'll give you. All right.
All right, man. Oh, look at that.
It's still juicy. Look
You can do a Thirsty Bird commercial, man.
Yeah.
Look at that. You ever thought about that, Thirsty
Right.
Bird?
That chili is good. That's not bad.
with everything
Alright.
else.
Yeah.
Taste bud party, you know? There's a taste party going on here.
All right.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, do it. Yes.
You're so aggressive with your chicken, aren't you? You don't muck around
Yeah,
with your
that's
chicken.
it, man. Look at that. There you go, Thirsty Bird.
You are right though. It is.
You have a winner. Oh my
The
god.
sauce gives it a different taste
Alright.
altogether, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the chicken itself, like I could eat it
Look at
just
that.
like you don't even
Listening.
look at that. That looks like heaven on a stick.
Whoa.
Oh, like it just falls off.
Put that in the trailer. Thirsty bird. You've made our day.
Yeah.
All right, we're just prepping the chicken for the ghost chili. All right, so we're gonna dunk it.
Yes.
So that's the chili down here.
So happy to just like.
Yeah, right. Okay.
All right.
Okay. I can't.
Deadly then.
Okay, get it a good soak.
Holy.
Oh,
Really?
Oh man.
All right. Okay. I trust you. I trust you.
Oh, please
I
don't.
trust you.
Please don't.
I have faith in you.
Jeez.
Okay.
What do you got?
All right, let's go.
Ghost time. Oh man, let's kick it in already.
Wait for it. Start to build.
It does. Oh, there it is. There's that seed action.
Oh man, it's already kicking in.
I like a bit of here.
Comment below if you've had it.
Ghost chili, yeah. Go again.
Yeah.
Go again. Oh,
It
here we
wasn't
go.
bad.
All right.
My tongue is numb now, man.
One. Okay. I reckon it's up there
Yeah.
in terms of fried chicken.
Oh yeah. That was good. It was good fried chicken.
It's crunchy on the outside, moist on the inside.
I wonder how they do that. They get a
Blooper
crunchy,
shot that one.
it gets a real moist.
There you go, guys.
Juicy on the inside.
It's juicy. There you go. That's a juicy word.
The sauces are fantastic.
Yeah. The burger was really like we convinced him that chicken burgers are good to eat.
I enjoyed that.
He enjoyed it. I think the chicken
Yeah, I
was
like
like really good. Like I don't know where they got thirsty bird from, but I'm down for that.
Because they're juicy, thirsty, they drink a lot.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thirsty bird.
Waffle chips. The waffle chips.
Waffle chips, yeah. That was good. I've never had
Yeah.
waffle chips before.
Would you come back? I would.
Yeah.
I'd come back for sure.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. Yep.
You think like after a big night, you come here, thirsty bird,
Yep.
you get a burger and get
Yep.
some chili. You
Or
know,
the morning after.
morning after.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hungover.
There you go.
Come check it out.
Thank you. Thank
Thirsty
you, Thirsty
Bird.
Bird. All right, guys, we just wrapped up our Thirsty Bird. Oh, had a good meal. And all right, hope you like our video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, comment if you like what you saw, and we are out of here.
All right, let's go.
All right.